was a few years ago. I was in a production of A Midsummer Night's Dream that I did with a company I'd already worked with, and we ended up being able to tour it to Florence, Italy. I mean, it's great to do Shakespeare for an international audience.
There's a musical called Hair, and it's a wonderful play about the 1960s and the Vietnam era and kind of the counterculture and hippies, as they're called. And the cast really bonds together. We become, like, we call it the tribe. So it's a really fun and engaging and exciting musical to do, and it's like the best theatrical experience I've had in my career.
Well, I guess my favorite theatrical experience changes all the time. I had an especially amazing time on Amadeus. I played Salieri's valet, who doesn't speak. I only had one word. But despite me playing only the one character, I had like 5 costumes and 3 wigs, and some of the craziest costume changes ever.
One musical that I really love, and I actually just got cast in, is You're in Town, the musical. It's a lot of fun. It's very, it's kind of satirical. It pulls from other musicals and genres. Like, each song is its own genre.
My favorite play that I've ever performed in is a musical called Romance, Romance. It is a 4-person musical, and I did that on the Goldenrod Showboat. That's my favorite show, Romance, Romance. Remember it. There's a lot of good songs in it. Scott Bakula did it on Broadway.
I think my favorite was my senior year of college. We did Carol Churchill's Cloud 9, and our director had this very sort of organic set in mind. So we had this huge rake that represented a hill and this beautiful, like, real live tree on stage. So I got to climb a real tree on stage and roll down a hill as a 9-year-old boy. Most fun I've ever had.